dances with singing seagulls. This is all between you and me. But the first time I saw the sea, I muttered, "Are you freaking kidding me?" And I didn't even speak English yet, but we all have a way of saying it. I felt betrayed that this experience was delayed. I was only about 8 or so. I was pretty smart though, but at first glance I knew with all certainty that I was the son of the sea. I remember walking the longest pier with a grin and not a single hint of fear. Oh, and I remember the Baltic Sea food being extremely good. The flounders and a pointy stick were always salty and thick. I have since visited the Atlantic Ocean, even used a sandy New York subway for locomotion, and found that I must do what it takes to at the very least live within a driving distance to Great Lakes. Now, each year I cheerfully await spring so that I may hear seagulls sing. Sometimes I even buy seashells at the local store to secretly scatter them at the Lake Michigan shore. I call it the varnished treasure, and it never fails to make tourists happy beyond measure.